I am in Icelandia, New York, and this is the first ever 3D printed house. So it's just fascinating. I really want to show you guys the details on these walls. This is all 3D printed material. It's very interesting how they did the corners. You see how it's all this interesting material. And I will take you inside. You can see the detail here with the laser printer. It's very interesting around the doors and in the corners. This is the laundry room. Interesting plumbing on the exterior. You can see all the walls have this 3D printed info, and then the corners aren't super sharp corners, they're rounded. So this is the garage. It's really amazing.
This is an electric heat pump, so the customer really doesn't have to pay much in terms of electricity bills because we have solar panels on all our houses included.
This is the hallway. This floor is actually 3D printed on the concrete. It's amazing. So you can kind of see where the machine went back and forth. This is the master. And this house is almost completely fireproof. The only thing that can catch fire is the roof. But they're actually going to 3D print the roof next. So interesting. And here's the bathroom. Again, we have kind of the rounded corners, which I think are kind of cool. And then we have a finished out shower. This house has sold. It's about 2,000 square feet. I just want to show you the exterior of this 3D printed house. This is an actual roof, but it has a fire level of 4 because the only thing that can burn is the roof. It sends electricity back every day. These walls are 8 inches thick. It's naturally insulated. It's amazing.